Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up copy trading in GMGN AI. To begin, open GMGN AI in your browser and make sure you are on the main trading interface for the Solana section. This is the starting point for the setup, and it's where you'll find the navigation options needed to access copy trading features. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until the full dashboard appears so everything is visible and clickable. Once you're on the platform, look at the top area of the page and click on Copy Trade. This section is specifically designed for following or mirroring the activity of other wallets. Moving into this area gives you access to the traders and wallet profiles that can be used for copy trading setup. After that, select a sample user from the list. In this example, you're simply choosing one available profile to continue the setup process. This step helps you open that wallet's detailed page where you can review the options related to copying its activity. Take a second here to make sure you've opened the correct profile before moving on. When the wallet page opens, click on Wallet Copy. This tells the platform that you want to copy the activity from that wallet. In other words, you're beginning the configuration that allows trades from that wallet to be mirrored according to the settings available on the page. Be careful to click the correct option, since this is the main action that starts the copy trading setup. Next, click on Copy Sell. This setting enables the sell-side behavior for the copied wallet activity. It's an important part of the setup because it helps align your copy trading behavior with the wallet you're following. If you see other settings on the screen, stay focused on this one for now so your setup matches the intended process. Once that's selected and everything looks correct, click. Confirm to finish. This final confirmation applies your copy trading settings and completes the setup process. After confirming, give the platform a moment to save the configuration. It's always a good idea to quickly review the page afterward to make sure the copy trading settings appear active. And that's it. You've now completed the basic setup for copy trading on GMGN.ai. As a general tip, always double-check any trading configuration before confirming, especially when you're following another wallet's activity. Even a simple setup should be reviewed carefully so you understand what has been enabled. Thanks for following along, and that's how to set up copy trading on GMGN.ai.